Hi, I'm Jen. Over the next 18 minutes, I'll give you a quick overview of how Medbridge helps private practices solve the biggest challenges in today's care environment. Then, we'll jump into a product demo and end with our different plan packages. The future of care is being reshaped in real time. Education and clinical resources need to be integrated so that clinicians can access guidance when and where they need it. At the same time, care must meet patients where they are, whether that's in the clinic, at home, or somewhere in between. And outcomes are no longer optional. Demonstrating impact is becoming essential for reimbursement, growth, and differentiation. That creates a major opportunity, but also a growing gap between what's expected and what practices can realistically deliver today. Clinics are being asked to do more with fewer resources and higher expectations. Clinicians are stretched across care, documentation, and patient engagement. And owners lack clear visibility into performance and outcomes. At the same time, many practices are still relying on disconnected tools. Education on one platform, HEPs on another, outcomes tracked manually, and limited insight into what's actually working. That's why we built Medbridge as a connected platform across care, education, and outcomes. We help private practices deliver high-quality, consistent care at scale, develop and retain high-performing clinicians, and turn outcomes into a strategic advantage for growth. By connecting the full patient and clinician experience, Medbridge enables practices to support clinicians with integrated tools and education in their workflow. Extend care beyond the clinic with hybrid and digital-first models, and turn patient engagement and outcomes into actionable insight. We're trusted by thousands of organizations nationwide, from independent clinics to leading therapy groups. And the impact is clear: higher patient engagement and adherence, strong staff satisfaction and retention, improved clinical efficiency and consistency, and stronger outcomes and revenue performance. Now, let's take a look inside the platform. Our private practice platform has three main solutions: deliver high-quality care, develop and retain staff, and gain insights to improve outcomes. Each solution is designed for your entire care team, from physical therapists to occupational therapists, speech-language pathologists, and athletic trainers. Let's dive deeper into how Medbridge helps your team deliver high-quality care and grow your practice. Driving patient engagement starts with our home exercise program. Clinicians can quickly create personalized programs using a library of more than 8,500 exercises, covering everything from orthopedics to neurology to women's health. Each exercise is video-based with a customizable name, description, and frequency parameters, and most exercises include Spanish translations. Our modern HEP builder makes it easy to build programs in seconds. Simply search or filter for exercises, then drag and drop them directly into the program. Ensure patients have the information they need after their visit with our 1,000 plus lessons featuring patient education videos and handouts to help patients better understand their condition and stay motivated throughout their care journey. You can upload your own exercises to standardized care across your clinic and save frequently used exercises to your favorites for quick access. Clinicians can also use pre-built templates for common conditions or create and share their own templates across the practice. Once a program is complete, you can send it digitally via text, email, QR code, or print it, making it easy to meet every patient where they are. Extend your engagement beyond the clinic with a powerful digital engagement platform, patient-provider messaging, and program feedback. With Medbridge, you can monitor patient adherence in real time on a single simplified dashboard, including feedback on pain levels and difficulty, outcome scores, adherence, and RTM activity if enabled, so you can adjust programs between visits and keep patients progressing. All of this is delivered through the highly rated Medbridge Go mobile app, where patients can easily access their exercises, track progress, view messages, and receive custom reminders and nudges to stay connected to their care plan. To further improve engagement and unlock new revenue, Medbridge supports remote therapeutic monitoring, or RTM. Enrolling patients is simple, and clinicians can track engagement data needed for reimbursement, helping you increase revenue while improving outcomes between visits, and improving adherence with less drop-offs and no-shows. When creating a new patient episode, simply select Enable RTM to start tracking RTM in their patient record. Clinicians can automatically track patient activity with clear visual identifiers when milestones are reached. The RTM timer floats on the patient record to automatically track clinician monitoring time. They can stop the timer and manually update the timing as needed. Clinicians can document RTM activity and billing into their EMR with our one-step documentation. Additionally, we provide real-time billing and RTM analytics dashboards across clinicians and clinics for organization-level reporting. By enabling Medbridge RTM, one large nationwide private practice saw an average increase of $150 in reimbursement per episode. From our playbooks to our guides, Medbridge has the toolkits to support implementation across your clinic and resources to give your patients, making it easy to get them up and running with HEP and RTM. To expand access and reach more patients, Medbridge also offers guided pathways. Pathways allow you to deliver hybrid care programs that guide patients through structured treatment plans, helping you open new markets and extend care beyond the clinic. Our Pathways library includes more than 100 conditions across MSK and joint pain, senior care, surgical, women's health, occupational health, and oncology. Once a patient is enrolled, they take an assessment, receive exercises and education as they progress through multiple phases, and are supported with direct feedback from their clinician, who monitors the data-driven program through the patient record. Treat more patients and conditions with these evidence-based, clinically proven pathways. For even deeper insight, many pathways include motion capture assessments. This provides clinic-level movement analysis that patients can complete at home, giving clinicians a clearer picture for more informed clinical decisions. All patient information lives in one place, the patient record, making care coordination simple. Manage multiple active episodes, shared team notes, messages, program feedback, assessment scores, and patient engagement. When RTM is enabled, patient-specific RTM data appears here as well. It's everything you need in one place, with direct connection to your EMR. Alerts help clinicians prioritize care by filtering patients into critical, high, or low categories to address the most urgent needs first. Clinicians can also filter by unread messages to stay responsive to their patients. The Analytics tab delivers dashboards of key metrics: activation, engagement, outcomes, and billing code achievement with one-click data export. Our Digital Health Academy gives your team the training and resources to successfully adopt and scale these digital tools, driving long-term success for both your patients and your clinic. Short videos and CE courses cover digital care foundations, HEP adherence best practices, and how to leverage digital care to strengthen therapeutic alliance and improve patient engagement. Advanced training equips clinicians to develop expertise in motivational interviewing, telehealth treatment, and therapeutic alliance. Now, let's look at how Medbridge helps you develop and retain your staff, helping you onboard faster, standardize care, and improve clinician satisfaction. With Medbridge, your team has access to thousands of best-in-class, on-demand CE courses, live webinars, and CE-eligible podcasts, all designed specifically for rehab professionals. We partnered with a Harvard professor to design courses for the adult online learner, with bite-sized chapters, case-based assessments, and a multimedia experience that includes slides, high-quality video, motion graphics, and real patient demonstrations. The content is always up to date, developed with leading instructors, and produced at the highest quality, which is where many alternative solutions fall short. For added convenience, clinicians can join live webinars for live CE credit or listen to podcasts during their day and earn credit with a quick quiz. Clinicians can learn anytime, anywhere, through our 4.9-star rated mobile app, making it easy to fit education into their day, with the ability to download courses and view or listen to them offline. With overwhelmingly positive clinician feedback, Medbridge is the preferred education experience for private practice. To help deepen clinical expertise, we offer more than 50 self-guided certificate programs on essential rehab topics. These accredited programs include high-quality video lectures, patient demonstrations, and practical scenarios so clinicians can immediately apply what they learn in the clinic. New programs are added regularly to keep pace with evolving best practices. For advanced certification, we offer 6 certification prep programs for PTs and OTs, designed to equip clinicians with the tools they need to pass the test, gain expertise, and elevate their profession. 93% of subscribers who studied with Medbridge certification prep programs successfully passed their board specialization test. Our cohort learning series provides mentorship through monthly expert-led webinars and structured coursework. Clinicians can collaborate with peers and develop their skills through a more interactive, supportive program. Medbridge partnered with AOTA to create the Adult Mental and Behavioral Health Board Certification for OTs and OTAs. With 60 hours of content, this guided curriculum empowers clinicians to improve patient care through advanced mental health credentialing. For organizations, Medbridge makes it easy to manage onboarding and ongoing training. You can assign role-specific training, track completion, and ensure compliance with required education, all in one place. Our compliance training helps your team stay up to date with regulatory requirements through short, engaging modules. Our learning management system lets you manage users, assign training, and track progress across your entire organization. And with our user management integration, it connects directly to your existing HRIS and/or IDP to streamline the provisioning and deprovisioning process. Our skills solution replaces paper checklists with a streamlined digital experience. You can assign skills, track competency, and ensure consistency across your team, all while giving clinicians access to just-in-time training and procedural resources when they need it most. Medbridge integrates education into workflows and helps you address outcomes and opportunities through just-in-time targeted training. For quick refreshers, our microlearning and soft skills content helps clinicians and front office staff improve communication, efficiency, and patient interactions, all of which directly impact patient satisfaction and retention. Elevate patient satisfaction with our Net Promoter Score, or NPS booster shots. These short, targeted courses improve your team's communication to boost patient satisfaction. Short, on-demand video content supports just-in-time learning, delivering targeted development for skills gaps when your team needs it most. Finally, let's look at how Medbridge helps you gain insights and improve outcomes, helping you prove clinical impact, optimize performance, and differentiate your practice. With integrated patient-reported outcomes, you can track patient progress over time, including pain, function, and difficulty, all within the same workflow you use to deliver care. Outcome measures are assigned seamlessly alongside treatment, and patients complete them within the same experience where they're receiving care, making adoption effortless for both clinicians and patients. And coming later in 2027, risk adjustment data and benchmarking will add another layer of insight to measure performance and put your results in context. This gives you objective data to guide care decisions and demonstrate outcomes. You can also track patient satisfaction through NPS, and when paired with pain and difficulty tracking, you get a holistic view of the patient experience to better understand outcomes and identify opportunities for improvement. At the organization level, Medbridge provides powerful analytics and reporting tools. The Analytics tab gives you a centralized view of practice-level performance, clinician utilization, and patient engagement, all in one place. The Pathways Care Management Dashboard lets care coordinators oversee, track, and optimize every patient's journey through digital care pathways, from enrollment through ongoing engagement and weekly assessments. For RTM, dedicated RTM care management and billing dashboards spotlight engagement activity and track progress towards billing goals with key metrics including activation, engagement, and billing code achievement. The Patient Outcomes Management Dashboard will give all care teams a unified, big-picture view of patient outcomes and the overall impact of their coordinated interventions, while the Your Episodes dashboard will give individual clinicians a personal view of their own impact, tracking episode volume, activation, and digital sharing. You can export any of this data with one click. Our reporting also extends to your education programs, allowing you to track training completion, engagement, and staff development across your organization. With these insights, you can make data-driven decisions that improve care quality, optimize operations, and support practice growth. Now that you've seen the platform, let's take a look at our plans. We keep it simple. Our pricing is seat-based, and each plan aligns to the type of role on your care team, so you're only paying for the access each role needs. Most practices select Medbridge Elite for their licensed clinical team. This is our complete education and care solution and includes everything that we walked through today: CE and guided programs, compliance, clinical procedures and competency management, home exercise programs, RTM, pathways, and patient-reported outcomes. If you want full clinical development and patient care support, this is the plan. We also have our Medbridge Essentials plan if you do not need access to RTM or pathways. If you have clinical staff members that do not need access to both education and care products, we offer education-only and care-only plans. And for your non-clinical staff, scheduling, billing, leadership, and other administrative roles, we have Business Essentials. This includes compliance and professionalism and communication microlearning, with access to assign organizational training. Check out our plan feature comparison chart on the pricing page for a full breakdown of the differences in plans. If your team is 50 employees or fewer, you can purchase directly on our website and get started immediately. For larger teams or those needing user management or EMR integrations, our sales team can walk you through volume discounts and enterprise options. Our goal is simple: equip every role with exactly what they need, maximize value, and keep your per-seat cost as efficient and predictable as possible. Thank you for spending time with me today. Your clinicians do incredible work, and our mission is to give them the tools, confidence, and support they need to provide the best possible care, while helping your organization operate more efficiently, improve patient engagement, retain staff, and ultimately deliver stronger outcomes for your patients and your business.